JavaScript, the language that runs the entire web and half of your debugging nightmares. It powers 97% of websites, yet somehow it still can't decide if null is an object. Is JavaScript an engineering marvel or just a happy accident that refuses to die? Let's break it down. Our story begins in 1995 when Brendan Eich created JavaScript in just 10 days. That's right, one of the most used programming languages was built in the same time it takes to binge watch a Netflix series. Back then, the web was just static HTML pages, and Netscape wanted a scripting language for interactive websites. JavaScript was the answer, except it wasn't. It was rushed, messy, and full of weird quirks. But it worked. And that was enough to doom us all. Despite its questionable origins, JavaScript took over the web for three reasons. It's everywhere. Every browser runs JavaScript. No installation, no setup, no escape. It's fast-ish. Thanks to just-in-time compilation, JavaScript is now faster than ever, but still slower than Rust, C++, and a potato running C. It has all the libraries. Need an animation? A machine learning model? A library to center a div? JavaScript has a package for that. And about 50 different frameworks that claim to be the future. Speaking of packages, NPM has over 2 million packages. Half of them are probably broken, and the other half will break when you update them. But let's talk about why JavaScript is also a complete mess. Weird type coercion. 5, nice 1 equals 4, but 5 plus 1, 51. Sure, that makes sense. Global scope nightmares. Accidentally forget a let or const? JavaScript says, no problem, I'll just throw it in global scope and ruin everything. The this keyword works perfectly until you use it. Then it suddenly means something else entirely. And if you haven't encountered undefined is not a function at least once, are you even a real JavaScript dev? But JavaScript isn't just a joke, it's evolving. Today we have Node.js, because why not use JavaScript on the back end too? Deno, the spiritual successor that's faster, safer, and still not widely adopted. Bun, a JavaScript runtime that promises speed, but will we actually switch to it? Probably not. And now AI is writing JavaScript too, which means soon AI will be debugging AI-written JavaScript while we sit back and question our career choices. So, is JavaScript the worst language ever? No. Is it the best? Also no. But it's the default, and sometimes that's all that matters. Love it or hate it, JavaScript is here to stay. Now go forth and write some spaghetti code, or don't. I'm not your manager.